everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am flipping through some new sticker books from Planything, new accessories, washi, all that fun stuff. Best part is it's all fall related stuff. I'm so excited for fall, so I can't wait to actually start using these, which I'm actually gonna do some spreads. These don't release until August 1st, so I'm gonna have a couple of videos up until release day next week. I'll have all the info down in the description because I definitely want to start making some spreads with these. Again, I love fall. Can't wait for fall to be here. I'm gonna flip through these last, but I'm actually gonna go through what's in this. I love the packaging, it's so cute. All the things in here. We got a few washi tapes and, like I said, some accessories, which are always fun. So have a nice pad of paper here. It's lined, it has all the fall things on it, all the fall vibes. Love that. And it is double-sided. Oh, it's actually different on this side. Okay, so then you get a different fall theme on the other side, which is really nice. Oh, I love this one. It's like more the neutral tones and then more like the traditional ones. And it's a nice stack of paper in here. Okay, so that's the first one. And then there is a Halloween one. Look how cute this one is. I love the purple. All the fun like Halloween treats on here. So cute. Again, line 2, and then the back. Oh, the most adorable little costumed animals. Like, look how cute those are. All those little cute animals. You have dogs and cats in various different costumes. So love that. That's so cute. Oh, this, I didn't know about this. Ooh, this is exciting. Okay, so she actually came out with a little pack of stickers that Amber drew. So Amber from Planything. All the other ones aren't going to be her illustrations, but she did do a little pack, it looks like, of her own illustrated autumn stickers. So love that. So we have the Planything sticker pack, Autumn Lane. It's not like a traditional sticker book, but it's got like a little faux page, front cover page. Oh, look how pretty these are. She drew these? Wow, she's getting good at the houses. Those are so cool. I love all the fall trees and all the fall vibes in here. And then, oh, I love these, like little homes, the little cluster of trees. Oh, so pretty. Love that. Look how cute these are. You have like some acorns, mushrooms, and pumpkins and little houses. That's a cute idea. That's different. Autumn Lane. And then we have some boxes. Nice. Some circles. And then, yeah, functional stickers. Look at these haunted houses. How cute. I love the purple and the orange and trees. That's different. Love that. And then you get the coordinating boxes here. Is the last page? That's the last page. Okay, so that was 6 sticker sheets. Artwork drawn by Amber from Planything. That was a nice little surprise. Okay, so love that. And then there's all this washi. You have a mixture of some stripe and then a couple of decorative ones. So I'm going to unwrap all of these and swatch them so you can see everything rolled out. Okay, so swatched everything. The majority of them are some really fun stripe ones with different like widths, thicknesses of the stripes. So that's cool. I really like this like Halloween-y one. That one's really pretty. Then we have one that has a bunch of the different pumpkins, the spooky pumpkins. And then this one's more of the fall stuff. Look at that cute little kitty cat. So cute. So those are the washi tapes. I believe they're available to purchase, not in a bundle, I believe. So definitely check them out if you're interested in the washi. Okay, so those are all the accessories and then the little sticker pack. Now I'm going to go over the sticker books. The first one is the Autumn Tones plain boxes. Let me move this up a little bit. Okay, so I wasn't a fan of the shaded boxes, but I really like the ones that Planything did for summer. No, They were like pastel, I think. I really like using those. I've seen a lot of people do like outlines on them, and it looks really cute when you do that. So when I do some plan with these, I'm gonna show like some fun different ways that I've seen other people use these. I'm starting to like turn around on these shaded ones. So let's go through here, and I'm loving all the fall colors on here. Okay, so we got some pretty oranges, two like that, and some like taupey color ones, and then this like golden one. You know, these feel kind of, I don't know why they feel different, but they feel really nice. Again, another like brown, green, and then a red. Ooh, these are different. Are these different? They just look different. Just a longer one. So oranges. Circles. More circles. So those are that's the color palette of this whole book, those different shades. Then we got the big orange circles. Some of the other colors, and then hexagons. I love using hexagons. It's like Christmas vibes right there. Love that. And then we have the huge ones. Okay, so those are all of the shaded or plain, what are they called? The full colored boxes. The other two sticker books are themed. One is Cozy Autumn, so all the fall things in this one. I can't wait to look through here. They've got some super cute stickers. All right, so we got all the cozy fall things on this page. I'm sorry. These are all clear. So you get two sheets like that. All the fall treats. Looks so good. And then you get the coordinating boxes. The pumpkins, acorns, and leaves. So far all the decorative are clear. More of the cozy fall vibes here. Boxes. Oh, the little scenes are cute, like that. I just love these illustrations. They're so different, very unique. Ooh, I like that teal color with the orange and the browns and mustard. Of course, some houses. You got some fall houses. The little Volkswagen bug is cute. And then the boxes. Oh, cute. Oh, look at that cute little kitty cat. So you have some of the little critters. That's adorable. And then this is like the washi, I believe. It has the same images as the washi tape. So you get it in sticker form here. Yep. Boxes. I really like this color palette with this like blue color. That's different. Pretty. Okay, so that is Cozy Autumn. Love that. And then the next one, I love a good Halloween book. I usually decorate Halloween like all of October. I'll do like Halloween spreads. So I'm excited. I'm excited to start seeing some Halloween stickers. All right, so we got some spooky houses with some ghosts and bats and all the Halloween-y stuff. There's even a little butterfly. Cute. Or is that a moth? I don't know. Spooky pumpkins. That one's funny because it's upside down. Ooh, spider webs. I love that. I don't love real spider webs, but I love spider webs in my planner. Then we got boxes. And then the adorable little animals with the costumes. Some of these are similar from last year's, like this little Gryffindor guy from Harry Potter. That one I remember from last time, but this is different, I think. The lion? The bat? Actually, I don't remember. Maybe I'm remembering wrong, but I still love them. I know I used a bunch of these last year, so I'm glad I have more. Like that one. That one's cute. That's not a dog or a cat. Oh, them grouped together with some pumpkins. Love that. More Halloween. I love the purple. Purple with Halloween's good. Yeah, this color scheme. I really like that. Oh, we got some little Halloween characters here. Treats, Halloween treats. Ooh, that's fun. It's a fun color combo. Ooh, spooky houses. Love that. More houses, haunted houses. So good. And then the boxes. Ooh, I like this one too. That like gray blue color is really nice. Okay, so that is Halloween vibes. Love it. Like I said, I love a good I'm not even super into Halloween myself. I like decorating for it in my house and in my planner. So super excited about this book. Again, I'm going to be doing a few plan with me, so definitely check out for them in the upcoming days up until the release date, which is August 1st. I'm excited to get some fall spreads, start working on fall spreads. So yeah, can't wait for that. I will have all of these items. Well, I'm sorry, I can't link anything yet because it's not on the site yet. It doesn't release till August 1st, but I'll have Planything's site linked so you can check it out. I have a code too. Definitely jot that down so you can get at least a little discount off of these items. But super excited for this release. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next one.